This is Chris Kelly with your Modelfit Workout C, Block 2. For Block 2, we have two circuits consisting of 4 exercises performed for 30 seconds. Alright, for my first exercise, I'm going to start with a shoulder elevated glute bridge. Alright, you'll notice with the glute bridge here, I'm elevating both my feet and my shoulders here. So you don't have a small box here, but you can even go up to 2 chairs. The higher you are, the more difficult it's going to be. And again, what I want, I'm just pushing up at the top and coming back down. Now to make this harder, I can also put something like a weighted backpack or something on my hips to increase the resistance here. But again, just tighten your butt cheeks at the top, hold, and come down. That's what I'm looking for there. All right, from here, we are going to go into a split stance band press. All right, the split stance band press, just going to come here, my band, walk it out. And again, I just want to keep constant tension on the band, up fast, down slow, for a period of 30 seconds. From here, I'm going to come into a 1-arm band row. So I'm going to come into this position, chest is up. Think about pulling the band into my pocket here. 30 seconds here, 30 seconds on the other side. All right, now for my second circuit, we're going to incorporate our pull-up straps here. And for our first our rowing straps. And for our first exercise, we have what is called a TRX face pull. Right, and for the face pull, let's pull this out just a little bit here. It's a little bit different in the sense that I want to actually get my elbows out, and it's like I'm pulling up to my face. So I'm keeping my elbows next to my face here, squeezing my shoulder blades together, and I'm coming back. All right, from here I'm moving immediately into a TRX row, where I'm just walking down a little bit. Pulling up and down. All right, so those two things would go back to back. All right, and then I have my 2 leg exercises, which would be a wide stance split squat to the left and right. Okay, so with this, I'm going to stand on my band, take intentionally a very wide stance. All right, and think about shifting the weight sort of onto the inside of my heel. Actually, I'm just coming up and down. We're trying to work kind of the inside of the quad here, this area. So, getting very wide, coming up and down, up fast, down slow. Just really thinking about squeezing this part in particular, squeezing that muscle. 30 seconds on one side, then just switch sides. That's what we're looking for there. And what we're going to end with today is just some static work. All right, so we're going to start out with my back lever hold. And again, this is a carryover from phase 1. So we're just trying to sort of move this along. It's going to be very difficult after all that work, but again, just shoot for anywhere from 15 to 30 second holds. We're going for 30 seconds. Again, first would just be to hang. Second progression would be to come into this position where I have sort of a rounded back to a flat back. Elbows are straight to a straddle to feet together. All right, so work in a range that you feel comfortable. Break up the reps or break up the time periods if needed. If you're going for 30 seconds, maybe break it up into 5-second holds. The goal eventually, though, is to hold for 30 seconds. And again, with our L-sit progression would be legs straight, feet elevated, hanging to an L. All right, so that is your workout C, Block 2.